Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn how to download a software, a free software which we are going to use to learn how to type, to know how we can use our keyboard to type. So that software's name is Typing Master. Typing Master 11, you can see it on my screen. You can even see it here. Alright, so you are going to open your Chrome, either your Chrome or Microsoft Edge. When you open it here, at this search tab, search for Typing Master. You see Typing Master to download, just take enter. Now you see Typing Master download. Click on Typing Master download and wait for it to come. You see download now, you see buy, don't buy, go to download now. So Typing Master is going to download here. At this place, you are going to see it being downloaded. It is just 10.8 megabyte. You will download here. Alright, when it downloads here, you can tap here to open. Alright. Double click to open or close that tab bar. Come to your file explorer. Anyway, this is it. It has already shown here. So take yes. It wants to download now. You take yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? You take yes. Now, the reason why it is not downloading is because I already have Typing Master installed. Alright. Good. So you see, the language that you want to choose is English. Just type once in case it doesn't go, you try to cancel. Alright. You take OK. When you take OK, they'll ask you, this will install Typing Master. Just take next. Come here and take accept agreement. Accept agreement. Don't, this is very important. You take accept agreement and you go to next. So this is where it will be stored in your file, no problem. You go to next. Take this one too, this check mark, click this check mark too, studying material lesson editor. You go to next. This one is okay. You now take install. So Typing Master will be installed on your computer. So it is installing. Alright, so Typing Master has been installed. What do you take? You take finish. Alright, once you take finish now, welcome to and so on, the Typing Master will load. Now this is my name. Alright, if you never had a name, you write the name that you want. Okay, you can write your name, then you take enter. And these are the courses which you are going to take. We have 1 to 12. These are the fast touch courses. Alright, I am in this course now. I've taken this one. Alright, so I'll start it all over again. You see how now you can use Typing Master to learn how to type. I'll do a few courses, then I'll teach you how to use Typing Master. The rest you are going to do it yourself. So once you've opened, it has come to this place. Close here, alright? And then just close the Typing Master. Only with that have you succeeded to install it. So in the next lesson, we are going to start seeing how we can use Typing Master to learn how to type. It's fun. See you.